Okay, so I finally got my air conditioning unit out of here, and it was held in by 5 14mm bolts. The 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3, and then these 2 on the bottom. Those 2. Those are all 14mm, and this is where they lined up on the back of the unit. The 3 here, and then the 2 on the bottom. Right there and there. I'd recommend you end up take out this bolt last, because it's going to bump into the timing belt housing or whatever this is here. This one you have to reach down into this narrow space, but you'd be able to get a wrench in there. And then this one here is pretty straightforward. That bolt hole is for this mounting point, I guess, right there, that long one, and the bolt that came out of that is right here. These are at least 4 of the 5 bolts that I took out of the AC unit. The other one is actually down in there somewhere, so I have to go get that. But now I'm trying to figure out how to remove this alternator. I guess there's a trick to it somehow, but it's the last bolt I can find is right here on this pivot, and the alternator moves. It moves up and down pretty good, and it wiggles a little bit, but I have I guess an 8mm hex, or yeah, a hex wrench in here, and it turns. And I think this is a pretty common deal where that gasket, or that whatever this is here, it's holding the bolt in, and you have to nudge the alternator probably to the passenger side fender, but I'm not exactly sure where I'm hitting on it and where I need to apply pressure. Maybe on the back, hitting it this way. So that's the next challenge to figure out.